Writing in the Historical Records and Studies compiled by the United States Catholic Historical Society, the historian Robert T. Hill stated in 1888,
"Whatever may be said against the Haitians, it should be remembered that these people nearly a century ago instituted the movement which, ending in Brazil in 1860, resulted in driving the institution of slavery from the Western Hemisphere."
What movement was this historian referring to? A movement that had begun towards the beginning of that century. At the time, the former French colony Saint-Domingue became Haiti in 1804. Slavery was still thriving in countries in South America, and territories like Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Chile, and modern Bolivia were under Spanish rule. One man wanted for South America to be freed of Spanish rule. His name? Simón Bolivar. After his revolutionary forces were defeated in Cartagena, a city in modern-day Colombia, by the powerful Spanish army, Bolivar headed to Haiti and sought Haiti's help. The year was 1815, and Bolivar landed in Okai, presided over by the then president of southern Haiti, Alexandra Petion. Haiti was barely 11 years old as a nation. Bolivar sought assistance and Petion gave it, and then some. To begin with, Bolivar and the revolutionaries' families and soldiers who came with him were given shelter and food so that they could recuperate physically and regroup. They stayed long enough in Haiti that one of Bolivar's companions started a business in the city of Okai. According to the historian Mark Petion, this companion of Bolivar opened up a musical school that gave piano lessons to the elite children in Okai. As Henry Lafayette Veuillaume d'Audrey Holstein, one of Bolivar's companions, would later attest in a memoir, the Haitian government made great advances to General Bolivar in ammunition, provisions, and money. President Petion and his friend General Boyer were very favorable to the expedition. The historian Jacques-Nicolas Leger recounts that Petion gave Bolivar 4,000 rifles, gunpowder, cartridges, food, and a printing press. Petion gave his aid on the condition that Bolivar free the slaves in all the territories that would get their independence from Spain. Leger also contends that in addition to being a financier of the independence of the countries of South America, Petion also served as counselor, as some of Bolivar's companions had a fallout with him during the stay in Haiti, and Petion helped them reconcile so that they could remain committed to their cause. One of Haiti's historians, Charles Dupuy, author of Les Coins de la Histoire, reveals that Petion also supplied Bolivar with manpower. Dupuy names one in particular, a Savoy Courtois, whom he, Dupuy, labels as a great military strategist and Haitian Revolutionary War veteran. John Lynch, one of Bolivar's biographers, also concurs, mentioning in his work Simón Bolivar, A Life, that Bolivar was furnished with Haitian soldiers for his 1816 expedition and ships. Leger reiterates this, stating in the book Haiti, Her History and Her Detractors, that Petion authorized Haitian soldiers to leave with Bolivar. Leger quotes a letter dated February 1816, in which Simón Bolivar requests permission to give him the title Liberator. Here are some portions of Bolivar's letter as reported by Leger in Haiti, Her History and Her Detractors, Bolivar to Petion. In my proclamation to the inhabitants of Venezuela and in the decrees that I have to issue concerning the slaves, I do not know if I am allowed to express the feelings of my heart to your excellency, and to leave to posterity an everlasting token of your philanthropy. I do not know, I say, if I must declare that you are the author of our liberty. I beg your excellency to let me know his will on the matter. Petion hurriedly wrote Bolivar a letter on the 16th of that month, asking Bolivar to keep Haiti's role on the hush-hush, as he didn't want to gain an enemy in Spain. Leger recounts that Bolivar left Okai on April 10, 1816, only to return back in July of that year, defeated by the Spaniard General Morales. Petion came to the rescue again, providing a new set of ammunition and other aid for Bolivar's December 1816 departure to South America. This time, according to Leger, Bolivar succeeded in defeating Spain. The official and private letters of Simón Bolívar, collected in the volume El Libertador, Writings of Simón Bolívar, reveal that Haiti's influence in South America went beyond providing aid. According to Professor David Bushnell, its compiler, Bolívar modeled Bolivia's early government on Haiti's, and his own constitution in the newly independent Venezuela was modeled on the one Alexandra Petion drew for Haiti. Leger relates how in 1826, Simón Bolívar headed the Panama Congress, a league of American republics, but did not invite Haiti to please the United States, which was still a slaveholding state. In 1929, this pamphlet, originally published in Port-au-Prince by Marion Ain in 1849 by a Haitian senator whose father, Marion Ain the Elder, which gave details of Bolivar's stay in Haiti, was reprinted by a Mr. François Delancourt. In later years, observers contended that the connection between Haiti and Venezuela has never been forgotten. Writing in the book The Making and the Destruction of Haiti, Frank Senath points out a diplomatic and fraternal relationship between Haiti and several countries in South America, in particular with Venezuela. Senath mentions energy aid that Venezuela bestowed upon Haiti in the early 2000s. This bust monument of Petion, created by the artist Christian Oviedo, was erected on a street in Colombia as a tribute to the contributions of Haiti. There is also a monument dedicated to Petion in Caracas, Venezuela, as a symbol of Haiti's financing the end of slavery and establishing independence from Spain in a great many countries in South America. Be sure to tune in for another edition of Creolicious.com presents Haiti History 101.